Hello friends, on all modern machines with an injectors, the sensor is mounted on the engine housing. The small device incorporates a piezoelectric element which serves as a sensitive element. The piezoceramic plates respond to vibrations that occur during detonation and converts mechanical vibration into electrical voltage, which is supplied from the sensor output to the computer. Depending on the magnitude of the voltage, the control unit corrects the ignition timing and thus promptly eliminates the resulting detonation. The following symptoms may indicate a malfunction knock sensors: drop in engine power, deteriorate in dynamic, increased consumption of gasoline, the exhaust sometimes becomes smoky. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.